understand what's
Yeah.
the 2 minute chat, I know you're something.
I genuinely feel like maybe guys, we need to start like having conversations even with our AI like apps. You know, for instance, my it's a good and a bad thing. You know that my AI knows a lot about me, but it also helps me in certain spheres and spaces and
Okay,
times.
to a person like me, what's an AI?
So AI is, I forgot the correct term. It's artificial intelligence.
Okay.
Right? So it's like, I don't want to say an iPhone because what I say and I get a lot of hate. But like, okay, so it's basically like you know how iPhones have Siri, right?
Okay.
Yes, it could be a voice that can make life easier. It could be like a virtual assistant for your phone.
Okay.
But it also packs a lot of information, you know?
Okay.
Because I can ask Siri anything and Siri will be able to answer me. However, now AI is a better version because it can actually do things for us. For instance, I don't know how to do ECV, right? Things that back in the day people used to have to go and pay for and things like that. You speak to your AI, and then if there's information, ECV yakhe yakudala, or you've got whatever information, you literally upload it into the app.
Okay.
You tell the app, uthi ngifuna ECV yemsebenzi lo so. Ngifuna ungendele ibe so. Ngaleyo ndlela kusibona bato khona uyi-understanda kangcono. Now amaphepha lawa ahambisana nayo, and then you're done. It will generate everything for you.
But aren't you thinking let's say laziness and job opportunities is creating more job opportunities?
Whose job? Because the laziness is everything. I'm not trying to say people are lazy.
No, but technology, but technology on its own, I think ibulala amathuba emisebenzi. And lamanye, not all of them.
Let me tell you something.
Okay.
That is coming from a place of fear.
Yeah, kind of.
And that already has told me so much about why you don't know anything about AI, because you are resisting. So the issue starts with resisting, you know. But resistance comes from a place of fear, of which I understand. So I can give you credit on that. You know, because let's be honest, technology has made our lives so much easier, you know.
Okay. But yabona umsebenzi ukhona lohambile wala.
No, mara nangabe ukuthi mina umuntu lofuna ukuthi ngifuna umuntu ozoklina la endlini anginamsebenzi ukuthi uyawasha.
No, I'm just giving an example. Iletha lamanye amathuba emisebenzi but imosha amathuba emisebenzi lamaningi.
But it also makes our lives much easier. Because for certain things that we are still not willing to do, there's someone else who might still be willing to do it with better tools to do it. Because like I'm saying, an example in washing machine, ukuthi nanyalo nabe ukuthi ndoqasha umuntu ukuthi ethi into washa la kwami, ake expect ukuthi kuleli langa lelingaka abahleli ngaphandle nemabhavu awasha ngetandla. That is, I'm not saying it's inhumane, but it's really ridiculous. Yebo kunethi impahla ledzinga sandla, mara hayi konke lokhu ngesekugcila damuntu. So yebo umuntu utofika ngiyakhomba machine sebenza so uyaphosa while you're cleaning, you're doing everything. Nayiphuma uyaneka as per usual. Also, I'm saving you time.
But you save me time, but imali seyehla. No,
imali
yehla because you bought that machine with 7,000 bucks. I'm making an example. That woman, she was getting paid maybe 4 point something per month.
Maybe ngiwumcabango lekufuna kulungiswe.
So umcabango usenenjani sesi abe neveni yakhe usethene machine every time.
Ngicabanga yokuthi wena nangabe ukuthi umuntu uyakusebenzela kwakho sosulo yakhipha kudla umnikede. That's where it needs to start. Because that's basically the same thing. I'm not going to allow you to use my washing machine because I'm paying you.
No, I'm not saying you're not getting paid, you're not paying that person, but so we reduce the salary le bigger taller. There are some people that they does like that. Even I'm providing you food and saying you food. There are people that they does that. That's why I say,
maybe that's where the whole topic of Ubuntu also comes in.
Yes.
That very uncomfortable conversation, because you know all these conversations are quite unfortunate, but they're interlinked, right?
They are,
So now you're going to say to a person, for instance, I just want to like say something like nothing. I've heard a lot of people saying South Africans are lazy because of so a myriad of reasons, right?
Yeah, what do you say about that one? Is it true or what?
I don't believe they are lazy. The bully. Okay, I don't believe entirely everyone is lazy, but there is a